Okay, and now we are going to feature regular Profi press, workshop press. This is 100-ton model, so it's quite strong. And with the strong press, there's sometimes problem that it's a bit too much and you end up breaking smaller things if you try to do something a bit too small for the machine. But on the Profi press machine, there is the hand pump. And with this, you can be really precise with the movement and pressure because you feel it here. And now, just for shit and giggles, we are going to crush that wooden part with this, and it's going to be completely quiet and we can hear what the wood is doing. Or we can hear me pumping, I didn't realize it. I think this is the first like manually crushed thing on the channel. It's going to explode. Yeah, this didn't really work out, this is too loud. Yeah, that didn't work at all. I thought that it's super quiet, but it's not. Yeah, but it's still really precise machine.